Today I have this super cool work light to share with you. It has a tripod and it's easily foldable. Boom, boom, folds just like that. Very cool. These back legs just fold out. And other cool features on it, it has a power bank, so you can use it here to charge your devices. You simply just turn it on. This button once shows you your battery level, and then you press it again and your light's on. It has up to 8,000 looms, even a strobe feature if you're in an emergency situation. And better than that, even better, it can be adjusted up to 63 inches tall to work. Turn this back on. And what I use it for is in my shop here. I don't have much of a shop, but you can see these are also rotatable, so you can put them out, put them down, and it makes it super easy to work on my projects. You can see how it's shining the light on there. Let's take a closer look. So this works really great for car detailing, as I can put it right here and I can easily move it from section to section, and it's gonna display how terrible some of the imperfections in my Porsche Boxster's paint is. But you can see how it does that. Great for working under the hood as well. So I can get it really close and then I can rotate these. You can see how they rotate and you get a ton of light in there. Like, look, none, boom, tons of light. It's even more pronounced if you do this at daytime. You can see they rotate like this and like this. Very, very cool. And this whole thing is foldable. See, it has this thing here and you can fold it up so it barely takes up any space as well. You can see how well it illuminates and how easy it is to use. It's great for auto detailing, construction work, you know, just handyman, whatever you can think of, it works great for that. And here's it in a folded position. Super lightweight, easy to carry. To unfold it, you simply undo this buckle here and pull these out. Goes to about here, and then then you put it back in, and then these back legs come out like this. And then you just set it down on the ground and you're ready to go. Very cool, very easy to use, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.